Hi, in this video, I will show you how you can easily check and compare the most transparent prices for your delivery. The free delivery quotes calculator doesn't require you to sign up or have an account with Terminal Africa. However, for you to get the best results, you need to put these three things in place. Number one, the country, state, and city of your shipping location. Number two, the country, state, and city of the destination of your package. And number three, the weight of your package you want to ship. Now that we have all we need in place, let's combine them. Visit Terminals Africa. Click on the Get Quotes button. You'll find the free quotes calculator waiting for you. That's it here. Follow the prompts and answer the questions. So where are you shipping from? Select. Say I'm shipping from Nigeria. And then I select the states. Let's say Lagos. And then I select the city. So let's say I'm shipping from Festac Town. Now, where are you shipping to? That's the location you want to move your package to or your item. So let's say I'm shipping to the United Kingdom. You can pretty much ship from anywhere in the world to any other part of the world. All right. Okay, so I want to ship from London. I want to ship to London, I beg your pardon. All right. And then the weight, let's say the weight is 5 kilograms. And you see the different currencies there. I'll just leave it in Naira because I'm paying directly from Naira. So once I click the Get Quotes, it will load up and quickly show me some of the best options available for my package. And you see fast pickup, fast delivery within 2 days. You can also sort by the fastest. And we see it here. Thank you.